How to block or unblock contacts in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open phone app, and here you can select a number contact you want to block or unblock. Now here you can see the option block caller. If you want to block caller, then simply click on block caller and then click on block contact. And if you want to unblock your block caller, then simply click on unblock. Now go back and open settings and scroll down in last and click on apps. Now scroll down and click on phone app and scroll down, and here you can see the option blocked contacts. Now click on it, and here you can see all the blocked contacts. And if you want to unblock your contact, then simply click on edit and then simply click on minus sign and it will unblock. So this is the way to block or unblock contacts in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.